This is the second question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is a harder set of math questions. Number 2 is saying that we've got parallel lines, T intersects both lines, and we need the value of X. We would call these parallel lines in a transversal. Anytime you have parallel lines in a transversal, if you've got one acute angle, one obtuse angle, they have to add to 180 degrees. So X plus 33 equals 180. And if you subtract your 33 from both sides, you get X equals 147. See the full length video, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, find Test 3 Module 1, and you'll find that these Module 2B, the harder set of math questions, you'll see that the longer video is just above these shorter videos. Also, click subscribe and check out this other transversal video. Have a great day.